Today you will learn how to create a multi-page PDF in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, it's possible and it's actually very easy even if you are a beginner. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Let's say I want to create a multi-page PDF with these 8 images. Open up Adobe Photoshop, go to the top menu and click on File, Automate, PDF Presentation. The PDF presentation window will appear. You have first option on the top which is Add Open Files. If you have files already open in Photoshop, you can add these files here. Otherwise, click on Browse button and select all the images files you want to include in this multi-page PDF. Below the source file title, name of all selected files will appear in this box. If you want some slides to appear several times in PDF file, click on the name of file, then duplicate button, or you can remove any unwanted file by clicking the remove button. To reorder files, drag them up or down, or you can sort these files by name. Set the save as option to multi-page document. You can choose background color and information to be included at bottom of PDF pages like file name, extension, title, description, etc. Finally, press the Save button. Now choose the location to save this multi-page PDF file and click Save. Next, Save Adobe PDF dialog will appear in which you must choose and modify preset for PDF file. If your new PDF is for online distribution, it may be wise to lower its size. And the way to do that is to select from Adobe PDF preset the smaller file size option. For print, use high quality print. Now the final thing to do is to click Save PDF. It may take a few seconds depending on your computer speed. Photoshop will do his part of creating and saving PDF file. You can see our new multi-page PDF file is ready. Now let's open the file. As you can see, we have successfully created a multi-page PDF in Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about the process, let me know in the comments below and I will be happy to help. That's all for today. See you in the next video.